Quality Heating is not just an HVAC company. We also specialize in dryer vent cleanings. This short clip shows our team cleaning a dryer vent in Casselman. We have the equipment to reach high places, even those requiring ladders. Whenever possible, we will completely deconstruct the dryer vents to ensure a thorough cleaning, removing all debris. Ensuring your dryer vents are clean helps improve efficiency and safety. Trust Quality Heating for all your HVAC and dryer vent cleaning needs. Hold that.
Do you want to start that?
Oh my goodness, you gotta use those muscles.
I am. I'm just.
You're using baby muscles.
No, I'm not.